Which great man is called Iron Man of India? Answer: Sardar Patel. Which great man is called Netaji? Answer: Subhash Chandra Bose. What is the full form of ATM? Answer: Automated Teller Machine. What is the name of the Samadhi of Lal Bahadur Shastri in Delhi? Answer: Vijay Ghat. Who is the author of Mahabharata? Answer: Maharshi Vedvyas. Which is called Queen of Arabian Sea? Answer: Kochi. Who wrote the book called Arthashastra? Answer: Chanakya, Kautilya. Date of partition of India is? Answer: 15 August 1947. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? Answer: Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who was the permanent Speaker of the Constituent Assembly? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the Chairman of the Drafting Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Answer: Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. On which date is the World Red Cross Day celebrated? Answer: 8 May. Stainless steel invented by? Answer: Harry Barelli. Which country is famous as the country of sunrise? Answer: Japan. On which date is the International Women's Day celebrated? Answer: 8 March. Which is the smallest state in India in terms of area? Answer: Goa. Who called Gurudev first time to Rabindranath Tagore? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Onam is the famous festival of which state? Answer: Kerala. Aam Aadmi Party was established at? Answer: November 26, 2012. When did Delhi become the capital of India? Answer: 1911. Who started the Home Rule movement in India? Answer: Annie Besant. Who was the actor who played Gandhiji in the film Gandhi? Answer: Ben Kingsley. What is the brightest planet? Answer: Venus. Which is the national animal of India? Answer: Tiger. Which is the national aquatic organism of India? Answer: Ganges river dolphin. Madurai is situated on which river? Answer: Vaigai. Which is the national fruit of India? Answer: Mango. Radioactivity discovered by? Answer: Henry Becquerel. Which state has the largest forest cover in India? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Largest mangrove forest in India? Answer: Sundarbans. India's first supercomputer is? Answer: Param 8000. Chenab, Jhelum are tributaries of which river? Answer: Indus. On which day is Teachers' Day celebrated? Answer: 5 September. Which temple is fully constructed in granite? Answer. Brihadeshwara Temple. Who said Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, first? Answer. Netaji Subhashchandra Bose. What is the duration of singing the national anthem? Answer. 52 seconds. Who is the largest serving chief minister in India? Answer. Pawan Kumar Chamling, Sikkim. Which part of the body is related to pacemaker? Answer. Heart. Which is the purest form of carbon? Answer. Diamond. Who is inventor of revolver? Answer. Samuel Colt. Who invented X-rays? Answer. Rontgen. In which year was the atomic bomb dropped on Japan? Answer. 1945. Atomic number is equal to? Answer. Number of protons. Which metal was first used by humans? Answer. Copper. Who is called Frontier Gandhi? Answer. Abdul Ghaffar Khan. What does the outer sky look like to astronauts? Answer. Black. What is SI unit of force? Answer. Newton. Who invented the telescope? Answer. Galileo. Full form of MRP? Answer. Maximum retail price. What is the name of the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi in Delhi? Answer. Rajghat. From where did the first train run in India? Answer. Bombay, now Mumbai, to Thane. In which city was the first metro rail service started in India? Answer. Kolkata. The study of heat is known as? Answer. Thermodynamics. In which year did the railway start in India? Answer. 1853. Who was the first Indian astronaut? Answer. Rakesh Sharma. Who was the first ruler of Vijayanagar Empire? Answer. Harihara Bukka. Who was the first woman chief minister of India? Answer. Sucheta Kriplani. Replanting in forest is called? Answer. Reforestation. On which river is the Bhangra Nangal Dam located? Answer. Satluj. What is the study of environment? Answer. Ecology. When was the United Nations established? Answer. 24 October 1945. King of Pallava dynasty, who wrote stories? Answer. Narasimha Burman first. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations located? Answer. New York. Who was the first Secretary General of the United Nations? Answer. Tigraveli. How many countries are members of the United Nations at this time? Answer. 193. How many countries are members of the United Nations Security Council? Answer. 15 members. How many countries are permanent members of the United Nations Security Council? Answer. 5 members. Where is the International Court of Justice located? Answer: The Hague in Holland. Who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Defence Services? Answer: President. Longest bridge is of world in which country? Answer: China. State with maximum boundaries with other state of India? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Right to freedom and liberty in which article of Constitution? Answer: Article 21. Deficiency of which vitamin does not stop the blockage of blood? Answer: Vitamin K. When is Hindi Day celebrated? Answer: 14th September. By which article of the Constitution Hindi was declared as the national language? Answer: Article 343. Which bacteria converts milk to curd? Answer: Lactobacillus bacteria. Who is the only Indian to win a gold medal in the Olympic Games singles event? Answer: Abhinav Bindra. After how many years Olympic Games are held? Answer: 4 years. UHT full form? Answer: Ultra high temperature. Who Chinese come to India during Gupta's period? Answer: Fahian. When is International Human Rights Day celebrated? Answer: 10th December. Brain of computer is? Answer: CPU, Central Processing Unit. Where is the famous Shitlamata temple located? Answer: Gurgaon. People of which religion celebrate Baisakhi festival? Answer: People of Sikhism. Validity time of check is? Answer: 3 months. Where is the diesel locomotive manufacturing unit Diesel Locomotive Works located in India? Answer: Varanasi. The player Dhanraj Pillai is related to which game? Answer: Hockey. Which organ removes nitrogenous compounds from the blood? Answer: Kidney. Largest silk producer state of India? Answer: Karnataka. Which country's landline is associated with most countries? Answer: China. What is the name of Indian desert? Answer: Thar. Kaziranga National Park is in which state? Answer: Assam. On which direction does the earth rotate on its axis? Answer: west to east. Which is digital state of India? Answer: Kerala. Ujjain is situated on the bank of which river? Answer: Shipra. Where is the rocket launch pad of India? Answer: Sriharikota. What is mainly found in dung gas? Answer: methane. Freedom is my birthright and I will take it. Who said? Answer: Lokmanya Tilak. Laughing gas is? Answer: nitrous oxide. For how long are the members of Rajya Sabha elected? Answer: 6 years. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a like in this video and share this video to all of your friends, students, kids. And also don't forget to subscribe my general knowledge YouTube channel.